In this episode, we take a departure from our normal style. We took a trip to New York City this time. Here's a view of the reservoir in the middle of Central Park in Manhattan. And this is what the New York City subway system looks like during a pandemic. Can't keep us sailors at home, though. Finally made it to the boathouse. And there they all are, just waiting to be taken out on the river.
Hey, sailing on a little boat today. This is a J80, 26 feet long. My buddy Jake. So I'm here sailing with a bunch of kids, and we're about to have a water fight with this boat coming up on us.
Hi, I'm Archie. Dangerous Boat 10.
And you can see there's a super soaker and
And the mega
a bilge pump. And they're armed with the same things.
But we haven't really got
And they're gonna rip. Whoa! He full on yeeted his water bottle inside the.
Just sailing here on the Hudson, and this fireboat started spraying water. Pretty cool show. Oh, there it goes. There it goes on a beam reach. That's great.
Alright, should we let him go?
Yeah. No,
And after a number of days of sailing in the city, we decided it was time for something a little different. So we went to the country. So this is a section of the Hudson Valley that we didn't visit on our last trip here. It's called Peter's Kill. Great rock climbing. And we're at the top of a crag right now. You can see we've got our rope set up here. And look at that view. All the leaves, all the trees have leaves on them. And Dara is ready to climb in her climbing outfit. All right, here we are at the base of the crag. Dara is all set up to belay me. I'm tied in. And here is the climb. You cannot see all the way to the top. That's just the first ledge. Beautiful day. Looks like a good climb. All right, see you later. All right, and I made it to the top. Check out this beautiful view. You can see, here's our climbing anchor. And there's Dara, way down there. See if I can zoom in on her. Wave to the camera again. There she is. And here's Dara, climbing it like a pro.
Made it.
And what a better way to cool off than to go for a swim in the nearby creek. Quite the hiking outfit Dara's got on there. Ready to hike? Alright, let's go. And after a full day of climbing and swimming, it was time to go to a nearby farm and pick some berries. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for next time as we encounter some pretty rough conditions out at Santa Rosa Island. See ya!